2024 KTM 350XCF Factory Edition stands as a testament to KTM's commitment to dominating off-road circuits. With a distinctive race-themed design, this bike is purpose-built for competition, signaling its prowess through a striking combination of orange, white, and black colors. The FMF KTM Factory Racing team's knowledge and data have been infused into this model, making it a formidable force on the track. This factory edition takes the renowned KTM 350XCF to new heights with a slew of KTM PowerParts and upgrades. The chassis boasts the latest 48mm WP XACT Suspension, featuring closed cartridge spring forks with a mid-valve piston concept for precise and consistent damping. This fully adjustable system, complete with new protection rings and a hydro stop, ensures optimal configuration for diverse off-road terrains. The bike comes equipped with numerous performance parts, enhancing its off-road capabilities. The titanium FMF Factory 4.1 RCD silencer not only sheds weight but also amplifies the 350 cubic centimeters DOHC engine's torque. A high-strength factory start device aids in standing starts, while the special